Empower your child's financial future and make learning about money fun with a Barclays Kids Bank account. Opening a Barclays Kids account is a simple and rewarding process, and this guide will walk you through every step. First, head over to the official Barclays website. You can usually find information about children's banking by searching for Barclays Kids Account or Young Person's Account in the search bar. Once you've found the relevant section, you'll see different account options. Look for the account designed for children, which will have features tailored to their needs and learning journey. The next step is to start the online application. You'll typically need to provide some basic information about yourself as the parent or guardian, and crucially, details about your child, including their full name and date of birth. You'll also need to confirm your own identity and provide contact details. Barclays has robust security measures in place, so be prepared to provide information that verifies your identity. Crucially, as the parent or guardian, you'll need to give your consent for the account to be opened. Make sure you carefully read and agree to the terms and conditions. After submitting your application, Barclays will review it. This usually doesn't take long, and they'll be in touch if they need any further information. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation, and usually a welcome pack with useful information and possibly a debit card for your child, ready to start their banking adventure. This Barclays Kids account is a fantastic tool to teach your children valuable lessons about saving, spending wisely, and the importance of financial responsibility from a young age. Happy banking!